By Dion Heimnick and Gwen Rusky. Please their name for the record, and you have 3 minutes, and thank you for being here today.
Good morning, supervisors and community members. My name is Cora Cole, and this is my first time speaking at one of your meetings. I moved to Pima County fairly recently, but I grew up in Walla Walla, Washington. In matters of what's best for this community and your relationship with migrants, I am not authorized to speak. But in terms of shelter and carceral facilities, I think I am, and so I'm offering that perspective. On the top of it, I want to offer support to Ms. Rainey and some of the other speakers who have talked about questions of facilities use and the way that this functions as an extension of the use of the humanitarian aid portion of the Stone Garden funds. And I understand that this is a potential transformation of space and that we need better plumbing. And community mutual aid is essential for all of this. I'm not making a statement of equivalence between folks who are currently homeless and those who are currently transitioning nations, but in terms of shelter supports, the needs are similar. Basic amenities, heat and air conditioning, safety. In 2017, Walla Walla had a really bad winter, and a bunch of small-scale religious leaders formed a coalition and sleep center at a local golf course for our homeless community. It was much needed, and the number of deaths during that winter went way down. Folks were safe there, but in the spring, local business owners made demands that the shelter move. So the city moved it to a downtown space between the sheriff's office and the town jail. It was on city property, there were amenity hookups, and the golf course made money again. But people were on edge, conflict was high, and in late 2018, a man was shot and killed on the property. The number of guards patrolling the center did not help. They have frequently placed tenants in danger instead of being of use. After the shooting, local business owners again became frustrated with the impact on business, and earlier this year, the shelter was moved to the Washington State Penitentiary. Even for those who have never been incarcerated or who have been protected to some extent by ICE, being intimately in close contact with detention facilities is unsettling at best, and in situations of temporary housing, it has led to more people staying on the streets to avoid the sleep center at the penitentiary and to more violence both at the center between guests and the guards that are constantly on the grounds. This move that you're proposing is dangerous. It may make guests feel less safe. It will re-traumatize those who have been in some kind of incarcerated system before, and it can be done better. Solving these problems before there is a body count is cheaper for the taxpayers, long run, and it will prevent refugees from feeling that they are safer on the streets. I respect your decision and appreciate the support you offer to the immigrant community. Thank you for your time this morning.